Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to discuss best practices to avoid common pitfalls when using Java strings. So this is the second video on that, and today we will discuss avoid reusing strings. So the question is, given a list of names, find all the names that start with A and also print the count of names found. Okay, and as we know that Java strings are very powerful, and it helps us to write functional based operations or programming. So we need to understand one thing when we are working with string is that it can be used only once, and if it is used upon by any terminal operator, then after that we cannot reuse it and we will get illegal state exception. Let's see this. So we have a list of names and we will create one stream of string. Let's call it stream1. Okay, we have a stream1 given. Now we will just print stream1 and we will use terminal operator for that. And there we see our output. Now we'll try to do something. We know that illegal state exception will be thrown. So let's put it in a try catch block. Quickly. So inside a try block, we will basically fetch the count of words with A. So this will take stream1 and use a terminal operation count. And let's print it. Okay. And we see that this exception got caught. Stream has already been operated upon or closed. So we can't reuse a stream. Okay. So what we need to do is we need to create, if we need to do some similar kind of operation, we need to create a new stream, and that is the best practice. And even if I don't call it practice, I mean you don't have any other option. You cannot reuse a stream. So it's better that you know that from before that you have to create a new stream if you have to do some similar kind of operations. So making this 2 would solve our problem, and we will see the output. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let's catch up in the next video.